just one look at you.
Definitely.
And I
know it's gonna be. Do you know what kind of day it's gonna be?
a lovely day.
Lovely day. Lovely day. Lovely day. Lovely day. It's gonna be a lovely day. All right. Hello, Team Green, and hello, Club Red. Let's get ready for calendar. It is a new month, and there are so many exciting things that are happening this month. I can't wait to tell you all about it. So, first, it is Monday, March, a new month. It's March. It's March 1st. Okay? Oh, goodness. We have things falling off the calendar here. Today, in my class, it's Adeline's birthday. Happy birthday, Adeline. Okay, we have shapes on calendar today. Before we try to figure out what these shapes are, I'm going to introduce you to the shapes, okay? But before we do that, we gotta rewind a little bit. I wanna tell you what's happening this week. Today is the Butter Battle Book Day. Do you have your buttery toast or your buttery waffles? Depending on when you're watching this video, maybe you're watching it already before your morning meeting and you need to get that ready for your morning meeting. If you already went to your morning meeting, hopefully you remember to bring your buttery toast or your buttery bread, or maybe you're wearing yellow so you can look like butter. I don't know. Now, tomorrow is an important day. It is Dr. Seuss's birthday. He's not alive anymore, but it was his birthday. He's the one that made all these amazing books that we love. So tomorrow is Dr. Seuss's birthday, so I hope you remember to have your hat. Wearing your hat for tomorrow. I'll have my hat on. Any hat you want. Doesn't have to be a Cat in the Hat hat. That's tomorrow. On Wednesday, it is Wacky Wednesday. You get to wear wacky clothes. 2 different colored shoes, different shirt that doesn't match my pants. Maybe I'll wear lots of shirts. Maybe my hair will be wacky. I don't know. I'm going to do something wacky on Wednesday. On Thursday. Oh! I'm so excited. It is our pet day. That's why I have a pet elephant. Hopefully you have a pet elephant at home. That'd be really fun. You get to bring your pet to your meeting, your morning meeting. If you don't have a pet to bring, or maybe your pet's a little wild and you can't quite keep your pet in front of the screen, you could bring a stuffed animal as your pet. That's on Thursday. Friday is 1 fish, 2 fish, red fish, blue fish. We're going to have a war between the red and the blue fish. What color are you going to wear? Red or blue? And you get to bring goldfish to eat it at your meeting. That's on Friday. So exciting. Do you see these flowers down here? Those all say spring break, spring break, spring break. We get 2 weeks off of school. Spring break this week and this following week. I just didn't have enough flowers. We get 2 weeks of spring break. I'm so excited. All right, let's talk about our 3D shapes. The first shape I have is called a cone. And you're going to know it's a cone because if you turn it upside down, you can put some ice cream inside and lick it. It's like an ice cream cone. Everybody say cone. And the next one we have is a cube. A cube looks like a dice. So it has a square on every single side. And I know everybody knows what a dice looks like because we play games in our morning meeting with a dice. A cube. Everybody say cube. The next one we have is like a cube, but instead of having a square on each side, it has a rectangle. So it's like we take the dice and we stretch it out into a rectangle. We call that, so see how it's nice and long? A rectangular prism. Can everybody say rectangular prism? It's just kind of like if you had a dice, but you had it was a really long dice. This is a shape that I know many of you have at home. It's a sphere. A sphere is like a ball. So I have a marble here. Okay, I can roll my marble. It's a ball. Does anyone have a soccer ball or a basketball or a baseball or even a globe with the earth on it? all of those are spheres. So when you say sphere, you think it's like a bouncy ball. Everyone say sphere, sphere. Okay. I'm going to share with you one more today. We have a few more, but I'm just going to share one more today. This is a cylinder. Think of a can of soda. Gulp, gulp. Or a can of soup. A cylinder. So it's flat on the top, flat on the bottom, and it's round on the edges so you can hold it like a cup. Gulp, gulp, gulp. A cylinder. Everybody say cylinder. Okay, so we need to figure out what this shape is. Oh, and of course we didn't do this one. So this is our shape that we have today, and it has a square on the bottom. If I were to flip it up, it has a square on the bottom, and each side goes up like a pyramid. Have you ever seen the pyramids like in Egypt? A picture of it, or in a desert? This is called a square base pyramid. I just call it a pyramid. Everyone say pyramid. So if we were to take this pyramid and flip it up so you could see the bottom, it would have a square at the bottom. Pyramid. So our shape today is a pyramid. All right, my friends. Let's add a day of school. Here we go. I just noticed something. 9 babies. 9 in the ones place. Today's the day. I'm so excited. Let's count. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Get ready. Get ready. Here's my rubber band. And stand up. Guys, stand up. You gotta dance with me. Bundle, bundle, bundle. 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 I hope you're dancing with me. I don't want to be the only one. I'm excited. I love doing the bundle dance. And of course, I'm not going to put it right back here with the babies. He's graduated. Dun, 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 dun. Into the tens place. So, I changed the tens place and I changed the ones place. Did I make any new hundreds bundles? No. We still just have 1 in the hundreds. We're not going to be fixing that one today. So I'm going to leave that there, and we need to fix the rest of these. I can see I don't have anything in the babies anymore, or in the ones place, so I'm going to put a 0 there. Let's count our 10 sticks. Are you ready? 1, 2. We have 2 bundles of 10 now. Here's a 2. All right. Repeat after me. Repeat after you. 1 in the hundreds, 1 in the hundreds, 2 in the tens, 2 in the tens, and 0 in the ones. 0 in the ones makes the number. What number is this? I'm going to have to take all these down. This is the number 120. Is that what you said? Did you say 120? I hope you did. It is the day 120 days of school. No wonder I feel so smart. I know so many things. Do you? I know you do. You know so many new things. 120 days of school. How exciting. All right, my friends. It is time for time. Can you say the time on the clock before I do? Say, challenge accepted. Here we go. What time is this? It's 2 o'clock. Did you say the time before I did? 2 o'clock. Let's write it. Do you know how to write 2 o'clock? Let's see. I was hoping to get a better marker. Tell me how to write it. 2 o'clock. 2. And of course we have our dot, dot. O'clock. Did you know that? Did you say it before I did? I hope you did. All right, friends. If that's 2 o'clock, let's watch it. Watch. Here he goes. Boop. Then what time is this? Uh-oh. Little brother is not on the 2 anymore. Are we going to say 3? He hasn't gotten to the 3 yet, so he's definitely going to go back to the 2. And big brother's on the 6, so we say 2:30. Did you say 2:30? Okay, here's a challenge. What's the fancy way of saying this? Starts with half past. Let me think, what number did little brother just pass? He just passed the 2. 2:30 is the same thing as saying half past 2. Let's write it. So instead of 2:30 or half past 2, we can write that just like this. I keep my 2 there. 2:30. And we also call this half past 2. Were you able to get the time before I did? I hope so. I hope you're getting so good at time because we actually have a math unit coming up using time. Wouldn't it be so cool if we didn't even have to do it during our math groups because we already knew how to tell time? We could just take the test and be done. That'd be so exciting. All right, my friends. I hope that you have a fantastic day today. Eat all the butter toast. Eat all the butter waffles. Be all buttery. Maybe you have a yellow shirt on. And don't forget, tomorrow you're wearing your hat. But today you have... Wait a second. What kind of a day was it again? I always forget. Oh! It's a... lovely day. Lovely day. Lovely day.